BMW right now offers the i7 in xDrive 60 structure. In BMW talk, this implies the ongoing cycle of the i7 accompanies standard AWD because of a front and back engine combo, and its presentation ought to generally match that of the 760i. What? You believe it's an occurrence the i7 xDrive 60 has the very same 536 horsepower as its 760i V8 partner? By sending off with an i7 xDrive 60 rather than a less skilled i7 xDrive 50, BMW is expanding the exhibition component of LED extravagance vehicle in a manner could impact a couple of 760i purchasers to go EV. The i7's 536 consolidated HP and 549 pound-foot of force seems like a ton, however these figures are tiny contrasted with the best-in-class 1000 HP in addition to models from Clear and Tesla. However, another point of view, what difference does it make? As we've said previously, the pull war is finished. Our 536 horsepower i7 test vehicle gauged a surprising 6,061 pounds, yet this BMW can in any case hurry to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Believe us, in reality, that is bounty speedy. The mix of enormous power, fast reactions, and all-around smoothness is an extraordinary encounter. Some might in any case lean toward the sound and show of a V8, however for this type of vehicle we'll take smooth electric speed over shouty speed increase. All things being equal, challenge no contenders to an extravagance vehicle race. The Mercedes EQS 580 does the 0 to 60 miles per hour run in 3.7 seconds. The Clear Air Visiting in 3.1 seconds, and the Mercedes S580 V8 in 4.0 seconds. Actually important, the Clear and Mercedes are both more effective than the more slow BMW, whose driving reach differs in view of the wheels you pick. Our i7 moved on efficiently advanced 21s and is great for 308 miles. Stay with 19s, and you'll get an EPA-evaluated 318 miles, while selecting the most appealing wheel decision. The 20 inches, Rex reach to just 296 miles. Let's get straight to the point, assuming you introduce home charging. These reach numbers are all that could possibly be needed for you to appreciate one of the most outstanding advantages of electric vehicle possession: never refueling away from your home. It's actually quite significant that the i7's most extreme charging velocity of 195 kilowatts is respectable yet pales to the Clear Air's trim subordinate 250 to 300 kilowatts capacity. The large, 212.2-inch long BMW pours background with noteworthy frenzy slowing down numbers. Slowing down from 60 miles per hour to a stop takes only 109 feet, tying the Clear and beating both the EQS 580 and S580. Out and about, the BMW's brake pedal makes smooth stops simple. In the customary drive mode, you can choose among maybe a couple levels of regenerative slowing down. Push the glass gear selector down to the B mode for one-pedal driving. On our figure-8 course, the huge BMW again dazzled, turning in shockingly great execution for such an enormous extravagance vehicle, besting Mercedes EV and ICE competitors yet following the Clear Air Visiting. The i7 feels similarly as certain out and about. Indeed, you'll in any case must be cautious moving through close city parking structures, however wherever else the BMW gives sufficient guiding and suspension criticism to keep things fascinating while always remembering it's an extravagance vehicle first. The EQS 580 might have better ride quality, however the i7 is a superior driver generally speaking. What that Mercedes can't offer is a secondary lounge as agreeable as the i7's. The floor of the i7 is sufficiently low that the seating position feels nearly as normal as in a gas-engined vehicle, one that doesn't have a thin battery underneath like this one does. The BMW additionally one-ups the Clear by being simpler to enter front and back without hitting your head on the way in, to not express anything about the BMW's leaning back seat and footstool controls. What makes the i7's inside so viable is the manner in which it blends innovation in with extravagance and style. The advanced instrument bunch highlights up-to-date plans with subtleties reverberated by the mathematical examples on the speaker grills of the accessible 1965-watt, 39-speaker Nooks and Wilkins Precious Stone sound framework. More isn't generally better with regards to sound frameworks, yet on the off chance that you're pondering, indeed, That addresses a greater number of watts and speakers than Mercedes offers on the S580 and EQS 580. The i7 generally succeeds with the delicate stuff, as well. The merino cowhide feels astonishing to the touch, and the accessible fleece upholstery additionally feels excellent and one of a kind. Assuming your reality is loaded up with calfskin, packs, seats, coats, and so forth, consider the cashmere fleece prior to withdrawing to the well-being of cowhides. Despite the fact that we'd get it assuming the take rate on the light dark fleece is low, we trust BMW will offer it in different tones and across the reach from now on.